Are you guys bored of exploring cafes and resto bars? I'm gonna show you guys an amazing offbeat place near Bangalore. This place is located just 80 kilometers from KRPuram. On your way, you can see Tors, which is mountain that look like piles of rock. And the most amazing thing is you find less or no traffic during weekday and even during weekends. And if you're a biker like me, you would love the breeze and the fresh air. You will also be able to witness the beauty of lakes, grasslands, and paddy fields along with pleasant weather. We have started around 8 in the morning and reached the destination around 10:30 after a good breakfast. Driving through these mountain roads feels like stepping into nature's own masterpiece. The roads are not bumpy, so if you're looking for a smooth ride, you can definitely choose this place. We have reached Kolar, Kotilingeshwara temple, which was constructed in 1980. The temple was less crowded and it has 90 plus lakh Shivlinga. The main attraction was its 33-meter Shivlinga and 11 meters Nandi. Beauty of this temple is it's also dedicated to other gods like Brahma, Vishnu, Annapurni, Karumari, Anjaneya. Also, subscribe to know more bike ride destinations around Bangalore.